Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we're talking about November favorites. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies. Girl, I never did an October favorite. I just really wasn't into any kind of makeup or anything new or anything favorite lately. I mean, I'm still trying to get my health in order. I'm still out of work, but not for long. So I really didn't have like anything, that I've been loving this month. And I wasn't going to just throw stuff haphazardly just to have an October favorites video. So I just didn't do one. But now here we are. As I'm sitting down, December 1st. So, listen, right here. Who does not love this lover right over here? This is the makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes in Moonlight. This is a limited edition. Look how spectacular this is. Is that the most beautiful? And of course, my eyeball obviously goes right to that blue. It is so beautiful. I have other eyeshadows on today, but I do have the blue out here on the outskirts. It is so pretty. I also have this color right in here in my natural crease. This is a beautiful palette, but of course it's these stinking shimmers. It is these shimmers. It's unfortunate that these ethereal palettes are limited edition. The first one is also a limited edition. Obviously you can't get it anymore, but these is something about those shimmers. It is like very ethereal. Like I always think about like fairy dust, or like when they have like all like these stars and stuff and they're on like invisible strings. It looks like all these stars are like just floating in the air. That's what these ethereal shimmers remind me of. They are so pretty. Girl, stop talking, let's swatch a couple of them. So I'm gonna just do the shimmers because they are the star of the show. If you guys have not tried makeup by Mario, oof, his palettes are so beautiful. Don't mind my hands, I have eczema. But these right here are the shimmers. Let me just swatch them for you. Yeah, they are so pretty. I mean, come on. Look how beautiful. Of course, these lights wash all this deliciousness out, but look how pretty. So beautiful. At first when I saw the palette, I'm like, but why, Mario? Why do you have to throw that blue in there? Like, why are you throwing? It is so beautiful. Honestly, with all the mattes in here, I think the blue obviously is what stands out the most. And I have to tell you the truth, this color up here, I think it's EM2 right over here. It is so beautiful. So I have been really enjoying this month. So great. This new product came out from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. It is so damn good. It is what I have on my face today. Now I will tell you that very pigmented. Be super duper careful. Like maybe a dot. It's like the Rare Beauty blush. It is so pigmented. I do have mine in light medium, the Liza Chattel. It is so pigmented, but I will tell you it blends so nicely. It is so good. Now for me personally, I think like on the cheeks it's very contour-ish, but then like on the forehead it's more of a bronzer. I think it's so stinking pretty. And speaking of like contour-ish, I have been loving this brush. I'm going to tell you in a second. I want to give this due diligence, but I have been using the Makeup by Mario. This is his F4, and I believe this is supposed to be for like foundation and bronzer. I'm not really sure, but girl, I have been using this part, the big part, for my contouring. It is so perfect. And then I use this for the this side for the for blush. But this is so perfect. But anyway, this is gorgeous. Highly recommend this. It's so friggin' good. And if I'm not mistaken, they came out with blushes, like new colors. I'm not really sure, but this is so good. So good. Love. Let's talk about this lover, shall we? Okay, so I'm on his website, and I would tell you there's 25% off. It's originally $30. It's now for $22, but I don't know when this video is going to go up. So, but just keep on checking his website. But anyway, this is his dual-ended foundation brush featuring 2 different applicators that easily blends and builds foundation to a smooth skin-like finish. Now, like I said, I use it for contouring and a little bit of bronzing. And then I use this particular angle of brushes. You really can't like swirl or buff. This is more of like a patting motion, if you will. It's so good. I am in love, love, love with this brush. This foundation brush can be used with any liquid, cream, or powder. Sweep product over the skin until evenly blended. I love it so much that I asked my family to buy me an extra one for Christmas. It's so good. Love, love, love this brush. Now, speaking of makeup by Mario, you believe I've never had his lip liners? Like, where the hell have I been? I grabbed 2 of the lip liners. This is his Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Liner Pencil. I have almond on my lips right now, and I also picked up, I think, Dimitri. It is so beautiful. I love that they have like this brush. You could use this brush to diffuse the lip liner, but even if you have lip smacking on, girl, use it to just diffuse out the lipstick. It's such a great idea. This is taking me back, like way back when like we were teenagers and we used to dip like the brush in for our lip smackings. So nice. But let me just show you almond. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna show you both of them. So this is almond right over here. Like I said, it is what I have on my lips. And then this is Dimitri, a little bit lighter, but you know, girl, same family. I don't deviate that much. They are so nice. Again, I can't believe it's taken me this long to grab these. I'm like so surprised. It's so nice. Let me read up on these as well. P.S. These lip liners are the Allures 2024 Best of Beauty. Well deserved. So this is a precision dual-ended lip liner. Defines, sculpts, and limitlessly shapes the lips to create the illusion of a fuller pout. Now you know he's the king of like illusions. I'm not gonna say it, Kim Kardashian. I'm not gonna say it, but he is so freaking talented. I love him to death. But these are so good. Matte full coverage formula. It's infused with emollients for comfortable wear. Controlled application with comfortable flex film. So good. Zero feathering or bleeding. Thank you, Jesus. A dual-ended brush can be used to blend and blur the color to perfection. They're so freaking good. What the hell were you waiting for, girl? I do not know. Next, I love these. If you guys have not tried these, it's a must. These are the Catrice Blush Affairs Cream and Powder Palettes. I'm not saying it's a dupe. This could be a dupe for something. I'm not saying it, but these are so great. I picked these up on Amazon. $7. $7. Let me just swatch it. They do only come in 4 shades. Let me just swatch a few for you, shall I? This is Peach Passion. I wish you guys could feel like how creamy the cream section is. Oh my God, it is so creamy and delicious, and the powder is so buttery. Look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna put that right over here. I love you. Look how gorgeous. Did I say $7? $7. Got them on Amazon. Frig it, we're here. We might as well just watch them all. This one is Absolute Apricot, and you know, girl, I really don't like corals. I don't like apricot. It looks so friggin' beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, that, oh my gosh, that is so creamy. So this is the next color. Put it right over here. Yeah. These would be so beautiful for the summertime. Oh my gosh, what a nice tan. Look at that. That is so nice. And then this one is Stunning Strawberry. Let me just show it to you without that on. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. Yeah, girl. Last but not least, that I have a little bit up on the outskirts of my face, and it is Pleasing Pink. So nice. Let's read up on them. So these are the Catrice Blush Affair Cream and Powder Palette. Yep, they only have 4 shades, cruelty-free, no paraben added, vegan, and no microplastic particles added. Meet your new blush obsession. I'm so friggin' obsessed with these blushes. The Catrice Blush Affair and Cream Powder Palettes. Wear the formula alone for a natural look or layer for a multi-dimensional effect. Highly pigmented, absolutely, absolutely. And is available in 4 stunning shades. The palette is perfect for any occasion. I agree. Each shade features a matte, velvety powder blush. So true. And it's paired with a rich, creamy blush. Yep. Whether you want a natural flush or a bold pop of color that lasts, this palette has you covered. Swipe, blend, and create your perfect look. It is so friggin' good. They are so delicious. $7. $7. I grabbed them on Amazon. They are so, so good. So, so good. And then last but not least, I just picked this up recently. This is the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Foundation. I thought it was just a repackaging, but when I went to go look it up, they also reformulated it. Well, it says new formulation, so that's what I'm assuming. Mine is in 107 Light Beige. Very light, very light. This is borderline like a makeup, no makeup kind of look. It is so good. I was surprised because when I was using them, I kept on saying, if it looks so watery, it feels so watery, but I meant like it feels so light. Like when I put it on, it didn't run. You know how like sometimes when you can tell like a foundation formula is going to be very light in coverage because it runs real quick on your hand. This one really didn't. That's why when I put on, I was so surprised. Very, very light under the fingertips. Again, it just gives you like a wash of coverage, if you will. Let's look this up real quick. So this is the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Foundation. It comes in 24 shades. This is a blendable formula that spreads easily and melts into the skin for even buildable coverage with a natural finish. Kind to the skin foundation, won't clog pores, evens complexions, and smooths skin's texture for seamless coverage that looks fresh, healthy, and natural. So true. 100% natural origin pigments and only simple, clean ingredients that works. Available in 24 shades. It is so good. 98% says formula is lightweight. It blends easily. It feels comfortable. It lets your skin breathe. And they say that skin looks healthy. Agreed. It's so good. Like I said, I was pleasantly surprised. It almost looks like a skin tint that you could grab like in the summertime. Like I know I don't like to wear a lot of foundation in the summertime, so I'll just throw on a skin tint. This will be perfect, and or for a no makeup look. And that is. Oh no, are you crazy, girl? How could you forget this little lover? Last but certainly not least, listen, I know the controversy. Here's my take on it. If you want to buy them, buy them. And if you can't, you don't. That's it. I don't know why there was such controversy of how much it is and how could he. If you can't afford it or if you don't want to buy it, don't friggin' buy it. What's the big deal? I did. I grabbed 4 of them. They are so, so beautiful. I grabbed Talk to My Team. We need better lighting. I'm going to show you everything. I'm still in the club, and do you know who I am? I want to say on my lids, on top of what I had before, I had Talk to My Team. This is what I have on my moving eyelid right there. Let me just swatch these little lovers for you. They are incredible. Now, let me just preface that I love him. I love Patrick Ta. He could do no wrong in my eyes, so take that with a grain of salt. But I will tell you, these are so beautiful. By the way, this is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension Eye Illusion Eyeshadow Duos. They're so damn good. Let's watch. So this one is We Need Better Lighting. I mean, they're not the smoothest, like, oh my God, they feel like butter. But it looks like friggin' foiled paper in here. So, so nice. So this is what they look like. They are gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So that is We Need Better Lighting. This is Talk to My Team. Next is Still in the Club. This one I really didn't care to get. I am so glad I got it. I have to tell you, I think it's one of my favorite. Wow, they are so beautiful. This one's a little, this one on the bottom is probably the most opaque of all of them, but something about it, I was like, that's kind of weird. Like, why would, but there's something about that color. I don't know, but it is absolutely one of my favorites. Don't judge. Don't judge a book, you never know. And then last but not least is, Do You Know Who I Am? Oof. I don't think I tried this one before. Oh my gosh, that is so friggin' pretty. I can't even stand just. Now I think that's it. I think that is it for my favorites. Yeah, probably. So that is it, guys. This is my video. Of course, this is the last monthly favorite of the year, because December, of course, I'm going to show you my overall favorites of the year, not just the month. So that is it for 2024 for my monthly favorites. I so appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.